Mill escape. So I'm gonna try to speed run this. That's what? What'd you say? I swear you said let's hump it back to the boat, but I think I was mishearing that. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try to speed run through this. These next 2 levels, hopefully I can do that. Because if I can, that'll make this whole situation a whole lot easier. So we gotta go over here. We gotta make sure we don't fucking get ambushed because fucking corn. Is this corn? Actually, no, what am I saying? This is sugar. You know, it's a sugar mill, which means they harvest the sugar. So this is just sugar. I don't know why I was thinking, oh, boom, what's with all this corn? No, dumbass. There's a boomer around here. My thoughts is he's going to be right where the thing is. So if I just shoot... I got Rochelle. They got Rochelle, but I didn't get Nick or Ellis. That makes sense. Alright, let's get a move on. Tank? Not tank. Charger. He did a fucking somersault or some shit. Some shit? Yeah, fucking English sucks, doesn't it? I'm doing it. Okay, fuck away from me. Alright, we all jump here. We all jump here. Oh shit, I always mess that up. He fucking coached the tank, and I was like, oh, where? Right there, I guess. Okay, let me try this out. Do 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 do. Just gonna skedaddle. Fuck this. Ooh, that was close. I almost pissed off a witch too. That would have been truly awful. Almost done.
We're almost out of the mill.
Keep it going.
Back the way we came.
And just like that, we are done. I don't give a shit about the bots. Die, bitch. But just like that is over. Hell yeah, baby. Alright. Yeah, I swear, like, just these are so easy to, like, you know, fucking speed run.
Get your asses in here right
But
now.
yeah. Don't you dare, Rochelle.
Come on, people, get your asses in here.
Good luck.
Asses in here.
I would like an aerial view of what the bots are doing in this current moment while sitting in the safe house. Because like what would they be doing? I know they would be trying to get out, but how would they be going about it? I don't know. But I should be able to speedrun Return to Town. It's gonna be quick and easy, just like this one.